Kotlin First Approach. Why Kotlin? The Kotlin programming language is a modern language that gives you more power for your everyday tasks. It can be used almost everywhere Java is used today, for server-side development, Android apps, and much more. Kotlin is 100% compatible with all existing Java frameworks, and has good tooling support. First program in Kotlin. We will create first program in Kotlin. Open IntelliJ IDEA. Go to File menu. Click New, and Project. Select Kotlin. And Kotlin JVM. Click Next and give your file name. In Project, you will find src folder. Right-click, click New. Select Kotlin file, enter file name as you wish. Our work area is ready. Only imports and declarations can exist at the top level of a Kotlin file, which must be a function called main. The function body is delimited by curly braces. Indentation is generally not significant in Kotlin. The print statement prints everything inside it onto the screen. Go to Run menu and Run module. We can view our result in Output console. Just like most modern languages, Kotlin supports single-line and multi-line comments. We just had our first program in Kotlin programming. We will look into more details in future.